Why is nobody else protesting with us? We're not the only immigrants. Latinos are not the only immigrants. There's Europeans, there's from Africa, there's from Asia, there's from all over. Where are you guys at? Why are your people not standing with us? I know you don't want to call it upon you guys, but why are we alone in this? Go look at the videos of the protests that are going on. We are fucking alone. It's all brown-skinned people. Where are all the other races? You guys post all these fucking videos about it, but you guys ain't doing nothing with us. Where are you guys? Why are we alone? We support everything when it comes to you guys. We are always there for you. And this is why we Latinos are just different. We're different in everything. We're different the way we work. We're different with our morals. We're just different. This is why we're so hated. Because nobody will ever be like us. Because we are always there when people need us. But look at right now. We're so alone. And we're still standing strong. I think I've never been so proud of being a fucking immigrant Latina in the USA. We're amazing. We're fucking amazing.
The next day.
I wasn't going to make a video of this because I'm like, okay, whatever. Everybody took what they wanted from it. But I'm like, no, it's getting out of hand. I don't understand why all my black community got so offended by this. I was talking about all the other immigrants. Like I clearly said, all the other immigrants. And then another thing, I do understand that you guys fought so hard for our civil rights, and these punk ass Latinos for Trump came and fucked it up. Like, I totally understand that. I hadn't thought about it when I posted that video, but like after seeing so many comments, I'm like, it's so true. Like, I can't even argue with you guys over that, right? But also have in mind, Mexican Americans or the Latinos that voted for Trump didn't suffer the things that you guys and we immigrants have. They've always been here and had everything. So for them, it was just so selfish to go and vote for them. There's over 47 million immigrants in the United States, and we cannot vote. We cannot vote. Some of us get a work permit, so all we can do is literally work. We can't leave our country. We can't do anything. We still have to pay our taxes, but we don't have no right. We don't have no right to say anything. So immigrants are not the same as these Latinos for Trump, because we don't think selfishly. Whatever the people let him get away with, like if they see like, okay, we got all these immigrants out, like, do you think he's done? You think his hatred is over with and his racism? Obviously not. This man is not okay. So guess what? Guess who else he's gonna come for? You guys are gonna be next. You guys are gonna be next. And if we were united, we would be able to stop this fool, because he would see we ain't no punks and we're sticking together. But here we are being his fucking puppets and being against each other like always.